Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tuna salad for sandwiches. First, let's talk about the tuna itself. You'll want 2 5-ounce cans of tuna, either packed in water or oil, depending on your preference. The most crucial first step is to drain it really well. This prevents a watery salad and ensures a rich, concentrated tuna flavor. Press down firmly on the lid to get out every last drop of liquid. Now that your tuna is perfectly drained, it's time to build the base of our salad. In a medium bowl, combine the flaked tuna with about 1/2 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. Next, we'll add some texture and flavor. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely diced celery for that essential crunch and 2 tablespoons of finely chopped red onion to give it a nice, subtle sharpness. These ingredients are key to a classic taste. With our base mixed, let's perfect the seasoning. Start with about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. These are essential for bringing out the best in your tuna. For a bright, fresh note, add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. If you like a little extra kick, a pinch of paprika or a dash of hot sauce can really elevate the flavor profile. Taste and adjust as needed. Your delicious tuna salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it up on your favorite bread, a toasted bagel, or even in a crisp lettuce wrap. For a classic sandwich, add some fresh lettuce leaves and a few slices of ripe tomato. This salad is perfect for a quick lunch or a light dinner. Remember to store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days to maintain freshness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.